This is a robo point. I explain everything. First, we have to see overall the building, which place is available for drilling. This is the area in Bangalore, Babasa Palya, Kota Ganesha, inside the house. We are going it. Party showing the site. We went inside. We'll see whether big lorry can come or not, robo lorry or come or not. That we have to see. After staying, we have to study neighbors' borewell, how much depth they did, how the water is coming. So far, failure is more, successing are more. That you have to study. Then we have to go for divining. What? In generally, in all business, there is competition, competition, competition. More or less, on very less charges, they are doing the divining. Mine is little high. In general, 1500 to 2000 they are charging. My charging is minimum 3000 rupees per site in Bangalore limit. First itself, I'll collect money with 1 rupee coin, one coconut. First, I will try to study with the coconut. Some places I'll try to study with pendulum. This is my second point. That's why I didn't take in pendulum. Every day, first point only I'll take pendulum. See, I try to do nearby. My left side, there is old borewell is there. In this one is water is not coming. This place getting rotate. This is a just indication. There is a source. There is a point. Okay. Only with the coconut we cannot tell everything on my knowledge. Okay, and my procedure, and my system. Everyone they're doing their own way. I'm doing my own way. Through the coconut, I'll try to get the indication of where is the point. If it rotate, there is something is there. So we have to study with some other equipment. In between call is coming. What I will do, how I can concentrate. Concentration is more important any work. We should do in free mind. Now I have geolocator. This is scientific. Just cross checking it whether it's dialing or not. See the same way line only I got the point outside of the borewell. My humble request, I'll try to do say something. Don't feel bad, diviners. I'm not blaming, I'm telling my suggestion. First, whoever doing the divining, we have to see the site. We have to follow little vastu. Then we should not damage the structure of the building where the point is suitable. This is old borewell, not that much effective. We have to see without disturbing the structure of the building where the point is suitable for drilling machine. That place first we have to see whether the water is available or not. If it is not available, we have to give any places. Okay, in generally, if you give inside the building, it will not suitable for the robo drilling. So the first preference we have to give which place is available Sorry, which place is suitable for drilling? See, this place is suitable for robo drilling.
இது இது பில்லர் இருக்கு.
It should not affect any structure of the building. Okay, like that's not available, there is no way. Why means water is important. Second step, we have to go inside of the building. Okay, inside of the building the height won't be there. We need more than 10 feet, 11 feet. Every building the depth will be 9 feet. How will do the work? Little difficult. We have to touch the structure of the building. See, if you come inside, the movement is coming to reduce.
இது பொருள் அங்கேருந்து இப்படியா?
I'm just trying this borewell with connection with that borewell. Some layer is going, not particular this one, very next to that. This and all we have to watch. Everybody watching, just I'm telling. See, seeing this video, maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes. But if you come to the site, it may take more than 1 hour. For me, the video is very, 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 very important. Part has to take. See, the rotation is nice. It may be more water will be there. After that, again, I have to come back to the traditional method of pendulum. We have to see how many sources will come. Whoever is seeing my video, my humble request, try to subscribe. If already subscribed, try to share. See, first I got indication with the coconut, confirming with the scientific instrument. Then I am studying further how many sources coming, how many feet is coming. That we have to study it. If it is one source, we cannot put the borewell. If it is two source, we have to think it out somehow. If three is there, okay. 3 points, 3 sources there, we cannot expect 3 source. One may be dummy, 2 may be dummy, 3 won't be dummy. So if it is 4 sources, 5 sources, we'll be very happy. That borel we can do it. But this place is coming 3 sources. Depth I informed to the customer. If it is Bangalore, I can do myself drilling also. In the sense, the point will be confirmed 90%. If you come this suitable for robo borewell, gas borewell we can do up to 650 feet only. Robo borewell we can do up to 1200 feet. After 550, the charge is quite high. If within 550 they got water, the bill will be very less. See, first I check with the coconut indication, confirm with the geolocator, steady with the pendulum. Third, fourth, I am giving to customer itself the stick. He can realize somehow. Okay, somehow he can realize which side is water is coming, whether less or more. We can see here is very less sources. In this direction no water, this direction no water, this direction is water, this direction is water. Only one source is there in the whole to borewell. If you do scanning, then borewell recharge we may can use. It is not dry bore well. Same thing, we can come and do the fresh point. This stick I'm not using myself, more or less. See, from there we are moving. How much distance is there? Same like seeing my video, sending to the rig person, he can judge whether we can drill or not. See, this places and this direction is one source, and this is the second source. This is a third source. Third source is nice. Its depth is going more than 1,000 feet. This is my method. I am following very long back. Final, I can give with the this one customer. I will finish the fresh point. Party told to do the existing bore well. That will be separate charges for 1,000 rupees. What is the condition of old bore well? There is a water that I told that I didn't charge. But how many feet is there? I have to study. Then only I can say that. This is whether dry bore well or recharge bore well or re-drilling bore well. That we have to study it. This is not suitable for re-drilling. This is suitable for recharging bore well. In 390 feet, there is one source is coming. The actual bore is 460. The same bore well, the whole building they used for construction purpose. Only one this bore well only. Now water is not coming. Everywhere the depth is going to more. So if you recharge, you may get at least the 50% of the water. Now at least 1 inch water is available in this bore well. I hopefully this bore well may be connection with the some other bore well. That's why right now water is not coming. 2-3 years before there is plenty of water they taken, they utilized. Now they're not able to take the water. The level is gone down. Water level may be 300. If you do the scanning, we can get the right report. Please try to do them. Try to subscribe my channel. Thanks to seeing everyone.